Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you seem to really like what I got my son for Christmas video, and that one was requested, and I've been hoarding back all of my son's birthday gifts to share them in a video with you as well. So if you're interested, please keep watching. My baby's going to be 8. Cannot believe it. If you're interested, I have a whole playlist of mommy vlogs and pregnancy vlogs. So it'll be linked in the cards, possibly in the description box, so check that out. Also, while filming this, I'm waiting for 2 Funko Pops to come in the mail, and I'm just going to share a picture of what those look like. I've been hanging on to a couple gifts for my mom, and she picked him up the Gujitsu Galaxy Attack, and this guy, this guy is just like a purple alien. He recently got the shark, and he wanted the purple guy, but he wasn't in store. So mom ordered him that, and we collabed, me, her, and one of my sisters collabed to get him the entire collection of the Dread Bears, the Five Nights at Freddy's. These are Funko plushies, and so she picked him up Chica. Picked him up another sketchbook, and this one you can draw, picture, or whatever and customize the create and insert your own cover. 70 sheets, just a Walmart sketchbook. I also picked him up this deluxe activity set, Super Mario, and it comes with all of this, and he loves to draw, loves stickers. I thought he would particularly love this one because it has the stamps in it as well. And over here, he got a new backpack. He has a Minecraft one, and I know it's almost the end of the school year, but he was like, "Did you know that I want a new backpack?" So I picked this backpack up for $17. He really likes Batman, superheroes in general. It's got a holographic lunchbox. He's gonna love that. And it attaches to the front here. I love that, actually. And yeah, a Batman backpack. 2 Roblox shirts. Loves Roblox as well. Also a new thing he's been into, and this is the Acadio. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. And he already has 3 of these guys, and so he already has the sand. So I picked him up this warrior set, and he wanted the snake guy. He specifically asked for the snake. Or Medusa looking character there. So, got in this pack. It also comes with a rare warrior and stuff, and you get a mystery one. So I just picked him up a warrior pack to go with those. He still really enjoys these Imagine X-Men. He put them in his pocket, his jacket pocket. He loves that. He mentioned to me he didn't have the Riddler. So when I was at Walmart, I saw the Riddler and picked him up this 2-pack. And I picked him up this pack of the Imagine X-Men DC Super Friends pack, and there's Joker, Bane, a Batman, Robin, and I'm not entirely sure who that is. A form of Batman, I guess. But and he lights up, which he's gonna love that. Okay, you saw these in the Dollar Tree haul. I picked him up 2 puzzles. Didn't know if these were gonna go for Valentine's Day or birthday. Well, guess what? They're birthday gifts. And once again, collabing with my mom and sister, I picked him up the Foxy from the Dread Bear collection. These are super cute. And I got him some books. There was a Where's Waldo book as well, but I let him have that one early. So I got him Beast Feast, which is super cute. And these are thrift books, by the way. Look at this. These are like brand new. They were 99 cents. Way, 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 way less than what they retail for. I picked this one up. Even still has a slipcover on it. If you take a mouse to school. Loves Pizza Cat. So 5-minute Pizza Cat stories. 99 cents each. Goodwill. And the 5-minute Marvel stories, which he loves superheroes, so he's going to love that. And the last and final item I got him is kind of rather big. But he really wanted this Roblox set. He saw this at Walmart. in the toy aisle. It was just after Christmas, and he was like, oh, I want the set. In store, this was $30, but Connor really, really wanted this. Another thing he likes to collect and play with is these Roblox toys. Loves the little blind boxes, all that stuff. But this is the zombie takeover kit. And after we saw this in the store, it was $30 in store. I come home, I looked up on ombre.com. They actually had it for $20, and I could pick it up in the store for that price. So that's what I done. So you get a bunch of stuff in here to fight zombies. You get some zombies, some toxic waste barrels. So a vehicle. And he's probably going to absolutely freak when he sees that he actually got this, because he super duper wanted it and is still mentioning it. So that is everything that Connor is getting for his birthday. Oh, and also he's getting a Mr. Gaddy's trip with Aiden and Allison. So I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope you enjoyed what I got my son for his birthday. And thank you so much for watching.